May I proceed, Your Honor, please?
Proceed.
Yeah. Ginoong Administrator, pagkatapos nyo bang naipadala itong liham nyo sa kay kagalang-galang na Congressman Neil Tupas, meron ba kayong nabalitaan kung I withdraw, Your Honor. Nung pinadala nyo yung liham na ito at mga dokumento kay Ginoong Tupas, meron pa ba ho kayong pinagbigyang ibang tao o institusyon?
Wala na po, Your Honor.
Sa kanya lang po ninyo ito pinadala, itong listahan ng merong 45 titulo na sinasabi nyong ay nakarehistro sa mga pangalan nila Renato Corona et al.
Opo, sa kanya po naka-address ang sulat na yan, Your Honor.
Opo. Pagkatapos nyo pong
Wala kayong ibang binigyan binigyan ng kopya niyang sulat na yan ninyo kay Congressman Tupas.
Yes, Your Honor. That's correct, Your Honor.
Pati yung mga attachment doon sa sulat ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Pagkatapos nyong pinadala ito, meron ba kayong nabasa sa dyaryo, narinig sa radyo, nakita sa TV, kung saan itong sulat nyo ay nakalagay?
That's material already, Your Honor.
Sustain. You better bring the newspapers and the radio clips. That's the best evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, we will do so, Your Honor.
Unless you lay the basis to make this witness competent in testifying on that fact.
Ginoong Administrator, nung binigay niyo po ba itong sulat na ito, alam niyo po, nasuri niyo po bang kung sino-sino ang mga may-ari dito sa listahang ito?
Opo.
Masasabi niyo po ba na ang mga titulong ito lahat ay kay Ginoong Corona?
Certified copies po nakatouch, kung kaya the best evidence po, yun hong mga nakapangalan sa mga dokumentong yun po. So kung hindi ho sila nakapangalan, the best evidence po would be the document themselves po.
Sandali lang. Saan ba nanggaling yung mga inatas mo na titulo ng lupa?
Sa computer generated po sila from the different registries in NCR po.
Galing yan sa computer ng LRA.
Yes po, ng RDs po. Register of Deeds po,
Okay yan.
Your Honor. Yeah.
Galing yan sa computer ng Register of Deeds.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung ipapoproduce natin yun, nandun yan mga titulo na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh.
Dahil nasuri niyo po ang mga dokumentong ito, papakita namin po ang mga ilan dito at itatanong po namin sa inyo at pakisabi lamang. Una ho itong nasa listahang pangalawa, sa listahan nyo, na mayroong TCT number 58643 in the name of spouses Constantino L. Castillo and Rosenda A. Castillo. Ito ay namarkahan dati na bilang Exhibit 198 para sa depensa. Pakisuri lang ho ng maigi at meron po akong itatanong sa inyo tungkol dyan. Alam niyo, meron po ba kayong personal na kaalaman kung meron mang kaugnayan itong mga pangalang Constantino Castillo at Rosenda A. Castillo kay Pinunong Maestrado Renato C. Corona?
Wala po.
Wala. Meron ulit akong ipapakita sa inyo na isang titulo na nakalagay sa numero na nasa 10 numero sa mga listahang nilagay nyo. Ito ay yung TCT number 85804 na nasa pangalan pa ni Maria Cristina R. Corona, married to Renato C. Corona. Pakisuri lang ho ng maigi ito. At ito ay namarkahan na dati bilang Exhibit 199 para sa depensa. Ano po ba ang estado na nitong titulong ito?
Cancelled po.
Cancelled. Pag sinabi niyo po bang cancelled, ano po bang ibig sabihin ito?
Maaari hong nailipat na sa ibang tao po.
Salamat po.
Your Honor, just to expedite the proceeding, we admit, Your Honor, the contents of the documents.
Will the good counsel, Your Honor, admit that there are documents here that are already cancelled, Your Honor? I would be happy to stipulate,
We
Your Honor.
admit, Your Honor.
The documents speak for themselves. Even if you do not show it to him, it will show there that was cancelled, even if he does not admit. So,
In
anyway,
that-
you can show it to him and
Yes, please.
get a confirmation from him that they're cancelled.
We will ask for stipulation, Your Honor, in which case we have remarked some of these documents, Your Honor, particularly for stipulation, the documents or titles listed under number 16, 17, 18, 19 of the list provided by the administrator, that these documents, these titles, although listed here in this letter, Your Honor, as appearing under the names spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona, were actually cancelled already, and the registered owners there appearing in those titles are actually not of the spouses but under the name of another entity.
We admit, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Also, the title indicated in number 21, which is TCT number 989, in the name of spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona, as appearing in this list, Your Honor, the names included, Your Honor, are wrong, Your Honor, because actually the real registered names as appearing in the title, Your Honor, the real name is that of Mega World Corporation, and that this is also cancelled already. May I have the confirmation or stipulation from
We
counsel?
admit, Your Honor.
Thank you. Also, number 22, TCT number 2093-P. In this list, it says here that it is under the name of Maria Cristina R. Corona, but looking at the title itself, it is under the name of Maria Charina R. Corona. Can I have the admission from counsel, Your Honor?
We admit also, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Also, number 24, which is a TCT number RT 77725. Open parenthesis 16799, close parenthesis, in the name of Vicente Rocco Jr., married to Asuncion Basa, that this title is already cancelled.
We admit, Your Honor.
Number 25, TCT number 85121, in the name of spouses Renato C. Corona and Cristina R. Corona. The title is already cancelled as it is sold to another person already. May I have the admission, please?
We admit, Your Honor.
Number 28, a TCT number N-254901, in the name of Cristina R. Corona, married to Renato Corona. This title is also already cancelled.
We admit, Your Honor.
Number 30, TCT number 154-400 in the name of spouses Angelina T. Castillo and Constantino A. Castillo. This title is already cancelled.
We admit, Your Honor.
Number 33, TCT number RT 106747, 226256 in the name of National Housing Authority. This document is also already cancelled.
We admit, Your Honor.
Number 35, CCT number N-11168 in the name of Burgundy Realty Corporation. This title is also already cancelled.
We admit, Your Honor.
Number 38, TCT 125683 in the name of Mirna Nelad Bahar, married to Beneroso E. Bahar. This document is also cancelled.
We admit, Your Honor.
And number 40, TCT number RT 20758 in the name of Danielle C. Encina, married to Dumiciana Artero. This title is also already cancelled.
We admit, Your Honor.
Number 42, TCT number RT 3190 in the name of Eugenia Coronado, married to Juan M. Corona. This document is also already cancelled.
We admit, Your Honor.
Number 44, TCT number 84241 in the name of Ismael A. Mathay Jr. et al. This title is already cancelled.
We admit, Your Honor.
Out of the 45 titles listed in this January 10, 2012 letter of the Honorable LRA Administrator addressed to the Honorable Congressman Neil C. Tupas Jr., there are 17 cancelled titles. Can I have that admission as well, please?
I think,
Prosecution.
Your Honor, it's for this honorable court to make a finding on that issue.
Anyway, they're on
I have
record.
gone
They're on record already.
one by one, Your Honor. That's just a mathematical computation of all these cancelled titles, Your Honor.
So, out of 45, how many were remain?
There are
28?
17 cancelled titles, Your Honor. And the titles named under Chief Justice under Maria Cristina R. Corona, married to Renato C. Corona, Your Honor.
Out of 45 titles.
Out of 45 titles,
So
Your Honor.
28 remains.
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Okay.
And we will manifest, Your Honor, that some of these documents were earlier marked in evidence, Your Honor,
By whom?
by the defense, Your Honor. First cancelled title, Your Honor, which is number 10 in this list, we marked as Exhibit 197. That's TCT number 85804. Number 23, TCT number 004201000. May I repeat, Your Honor, TCT number 0042010000410 as our Exhibit 200 number 24, TCT number RT77725-16799, in the name of Vicente Rocco Jr., married to Asuncion Basa. That's our Exhibit 201.
Are those marked already, or you want them marked?
These are all pre-marked documents,
all
Your
right.
Honor, and I'm just manifesting them for the record.
Just a minute. The gentleman from Sorsogon.
Mr. President, may I ask where this is leading to? Because if the count of the defense is 28, that's 45 minus 17, but the prosecutors already admitted they proved 21. That's actually even more than, correct me if I'm wrong.
Tama po yun.
The
21
count we
po
were
yung-
given is 21, excluding already the 3 parking lots that did not have separate titles. So 24
yun.
kung kasama yung tatlo. The count of the defense is 28?
No, Your Honor, that 28 is only what remains after we exclude the
In the list.
cancelled titles, Your Honor, in the list. But out of these 28, there are still issues, Your Honor.
But insofar as this witness is concerned, it is only with respect to the 45, which was reduced to 28. But really, we're already at 21.
That's correct, Your Honor. And the witness will be able to point out that it's not even 21.
So we're
If
there
we
now.
exclude, Your Honor, the properties listed under other names already, and not just those properties registered under the name of Chief Justice Renato Corona, Your Honor.
With the permission of the presiding officer, may I ask from counsel, at least that we know where we're headed towards, from this witness, anong nais niyong patunayan? Ilan na may iwan dun sa 21 na nga lang, di ba? 21.
Tama po yun. Tama po yun.
Opo.
Ilan na may iwan? Based on this witness's records, ilan?
Out of the